Dr. Anirban Chakraborty often begins by telling patients, fruits are nature's candy. This surprises many people because fruits are usually thought of as healthy. But for someone with diabetes or insulin resistance, fruits can be tricky. While they contain vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, they also carry natural sugar called fructose. And too much fructose can raise blood sugar and worsen insulin resistance. The biggest mistake people make, Dr. Chakraborty says, is drinking fruit juice. Fruit juice is an absolute no for diabetics. Whether it is packaged juice, fresh juice from a shop, or juice squeeze at home, it is harmful. Juice removes the fiber and gives you pure sugar in liquid form. A glass of orange juice or apple juice can spike sugar levels as quickly as a cola. One of his patients told him, "Doctor, I drink pomegranate juice every morning for health." His sugar reports stayed high. After he stopped juice and switched to safer foods, his sugar came down. So does that mean all fruits are bad? Dr. Chakraborty says no. The key is choosing the right fruits, the right ripeness, and the right portion. He warns against sweet fruits like bananas, mangoes, grapes, apples, chiku, and jackfruit. These are sugar bombs. Even small portions can spike sugar in diabetics. Instead, he guides patients to focus on watery, sour, citrus, and less sweet fruits. Which fruits are safer? Dr. Chakraborty lists them clearly. Guava, especially when eaten slightly raw, not overripe. Guava has fiber, vitamin C, and very little sugar. Many patients feel full after eating guava, and their sugar stays stable. Papaya, when eaten in moderate amounts. It is light, watery, and safe for most diabetics if not overripe. Citrus fruits like Mosambi, orange, lemon, these are safer than sweet fruits, but the portion must be small. One orange or one Mosambi is fine. Do not juice them. Eat them whole. Jamun, a traditional Indian fruit famous for helping with sugar control. Jamun seeds have been used in Ayurvedic medicine for diabetes. Eating fresh jamun in season is safe and beneficial. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, if available. They are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Even then, keep the portion small. He also points out that fruits that are less ripe are usually safer. A slightly raw guava, a less ripe papaya, or a sour orange is better than a sweet, fully ripe version. Riper fruits mean more sugar. Dr. Chakraborty often compares two patients. Patient A eats 2 bananas and a glass of orange juice every morning, thinking he's being healthy. But his sugar spikes, his insulin rises, and his medicines increase. Patient B eats half a guava and a small bowl of curd with flax seeds, or one orange with a handful of nuts. His sugar stays stable, he feels full, and his medicines reduce. Both are eating fruit. But one is spiking sugar, and the other is staying safe. Another important point Dr. Chakraborty makes is portion size. Even safe fruits should be eaten in small amounts. Half a guava, one small orange, a few jamuns, or a small bowl of papaya is enough. He says, fruits are not a free food. They should be treated as occasional additions, not daily staples in large bowls. He also warns patients against evening fruit salads full of apples, bananas, and grapes. These salads may look colorful, but they are dangerous for diabetes. A better snack would be cucumber, sprouts, or paneer. One patient told him, "Doctor, I thought I was being healthy by eating 2 apples daily. But my sugar never improved. After switching to guava and jamun, and reducing my fruit portions, my A1C dropped, and I feel better." Another patient said, "I used to drink fresh orange juice daily because I thought it was natural. but my fasting sugar was always high. After I stopped juice, I finally saw improvement. Dr. Chakraborty explains that medicines cannot protect you from the sugar load of sweet fruits or juices. Medicines may lower numbers on paper, but they cannot prevent the damage done by high insulin spikes. The only real solution is reversal, reducing insulin resistance by choosing the right foods and avoiding sugar overload. That is why his program guides patients to eat Indian foods in a safe, scientific way. Supported by a senior dietitian, and led by Dr. Chakraborty himself, the program helps patients reduce medicines, reduce insulin, and avoid costly hospital visits. One patient said after joining, "Doctor, I thought all fruits were healthy. Today I know that fruits are nature's candy, and I must choose wisely. My sugars are better, and my medicines are down. You too can take this step." Consult Dr. Anirban Chakraborty online from anywhere in the world. Call or WhatsApp at +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Choose a regular consultation if you need medicines, or a reversal session for personalized step-by-step guidance. Again, the number is +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Remember, fruits are nature's candy. For diabetics, avoid sweet fruits and juices. Choose guava, papaya, citrus fruits, jamun, berries, or less ripe fruits in small amounts. Eat them whole, never juiced. That is the safe way to enjoy fruits without harming your sugar control. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress, the 4 pillars of diabetes and obesity reversal. And for more information on diabetes and obesity reversal, look at our website given in the description.